If you've ever tried routinely washing a wooden picnic table, good luck. The paint starts chipping and flaking off, and bits of gunk get stuck in the actual wood grains, which is just so much harder to clean than something as durable as this material. This is a 6-foot wood grain folding picnic table by Lifetime. I am purposely showing it to you with a little bit of gunk and grit on it. Like here we've got some tree sap, like some bird poop and stuff. The things that happen to picnic tables that are left outside. This one's been left outside for a very long time. And look, nothing is fading this. Nothing is cracking it, making it dry out. It's still in tip-top shape. All of this gunk is going to clean off with hardly any effort at all. Again, this is 6 feet long. It's a nice, beautiful dark gray. It's got the umbrella hole right there for you, ready to go. It folds up for storage when it's not in use. Hi, doggo. It can easily be moved around your yard or on the deck, depending on where you want to put it. Maybe pop it poolside. Highly recommend this table. Super durable, comfortable, spacious, folds up nicely. Light enough for me to lift and move on my own. Definitely worth the investment. I hope this was helpful.